Hello, this is Kavaljit Singh Batra, and today I'm here to showcase my work on WebKRITI organized by ASF. So my project title is Blog Master, and my project theme was to develop a blogging website. So as you can see, this is the home page, Blog Master. Fairly simple design. Two links have been given here. So let's quickly click on one of them. I'm gonna click on login. So as soon as I click on login, I'll be directed to the login page. So you can see over here you've got several options to log in. You can use your Google IDs, you can use your Facebook credentials. So these API implementations have been done. For Google we used the developer key from developer console, and for Facebook we use the Facebook SDK, right? Or you can just simply enter the username and password that you get while you register on our own database, Blogmaster database. So I'm going to click on create an account over here. So as soon as I click in, I get redirected to the register page. This is the sign up page. So here you can enter details, your username, email, password, and you can confirm that password. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you several of its functionalities. For example, if I add an existing username, right? So I'm gonna add in, and I'm gonna click on sign in, and you can see username and email already exists, so it detects the error. So if I enter a new name like Ram, and I enter a name ram@gmail.com, I change the password as 1234KL, and in the confirm password field I entered at 12345, and I hit sign up. It's gonna show passwords do not match, so it checks for all possible errors. So basically I'm gonna click on login page over here. That means I already have my credentials, and now I'm gonna log in using my existing username. Sorry, it's not in caps. And the password, and this icon over here has been added using the Font Awesome open source library, right? So you can click on it and you can view the password, you can click on it and you can hide it. This icon also changes. This is done fairly simply by using this is the JS file, right? So basically using a little bit of jQuery over here. So on click a function runs, we're gonna add a class, remove a class, and set attribute of that input type as text, and then setting attribute of password otherwise. So this is fairly simple. So yeah, I'm gonna click on login. So as soon as you click on login, you get redirected to the dashboard of Blogmaster. This blogging website's dashboard. This means this is the place where you can handle all your post operations. You can publish your post, archive your post, edit your post, delete your post, right? Enter your contact settings, blog settings, creating a new post, and this button over here, if you click on it and open, so this is basically a blog. And you can see two of the posts already existing because I made these posts on this user. This name here is basically the blog's name. I'm going to quickly show you how to change it. This is the profile image, this is the author's name, and this is the description about how author is, what author thinks about his blog, right? I'm going to quickly cover this blog page later. I'm going to go to dashboard over here. I'll quickly show you all the tabs in the dashboard. So all you can see this section over here, this displays the section in which we are, right? Contact. This display as the name of the user through which you are logged in. So I am logged in as Kowal, right? So these are basically the all post section there. All my posts that have been successfully published are displayed. So for example, you can see on this particular post you have the title as most unethical thing in the world is me, and the category as lifestyle, and the written by author's name, and on the extreme right corner over here you've got the date as well as the time. So all these informations have been stored separately in the tables. I'm going to quickly, so this is WebKRITI, and these are separate tables that I made from blog settings, my post, my profile image, and for my users table. So as you can also see on the users table over here, the password for the user, those who enter using Google or using Facebook, their password details have been not shown, and those even who enter using their login credentials stored on the database of Blogmaster, their passwords have also been hashed. So we have taken care of the security protocol so that we could provide user complete satisfaction, right? So quickly we can see here on the dashboard all post section. Let me close this. We have gotten several options like edit post, archive post. I'm going to click on edit post. So this redirects us to a new page, edit post, where you can edit the post. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to change the title is my name is Kawaljeet. Right, oops. I'm going to change the category to as food, and I'm going to leave the content over here and I click on update. So as you can see, it quickly updates the title as my name is Kawaljeet, food, the category and the time. So today is 28 and that's the time basically, right? So now if I'm gonna view my blog basically, so you can see my name is Kawaljeet, the blog name has been changed. And yeah, so let's go to the archive section. So you can see we already have a post over here. So what archives does is basically, if you have a post that you don't want to publish immediately, or you have some edits left but you don't want to delete them, so that you have to save your work on the database itself, so you can just archive the post. This way it won't be displayed on your main blog, but it won't be deleted as well. So you can just click on edit post the second time you see, and add the text. Remaining text is the best in the world. I'm not wrong to myself, right? Click on update, choose a category as something, right? And after that, if you click publish, so it's gonna publish it. And once you then refresh your blog, so you're gonna see the new one over here. So this is why the archive section is quite helpful. And if you click on read more over here, so this is gonna basically lead to a separate page for your post, right, where the title of the post, category, image and the complete description which you enter is displayed. Right, so this page is, I think, completely responsive. Yeah, using flexbox definitely helps. I'm gonna quickly show you how to create a post. I'm gonna add a post like test title something. Let's choose the category as others, enter content here. Hey there, my name is Paji. Choose a file, image file. I'll upload this one. I'm gonna click post. So you can see a post is added here. Tile test 32, the categories are others. And if I refresh, and if I go to home actually, so I'm gonna immediately get my tile test 332 website over here. So this is basically how it works. Similarly, edit post function, as I showed you before, you can click it, redirect to an edit post tab, right? And to delete, you can just click on this delete button and this post will be deleted. Refresh it, it's automatically updated over here, right? Here you got the log out button, so if you click on it, get logged out, the session ends and you're gonna redirect it back to the other page. I'm gonna quickly show you how to implement one of these APIs. I'm gonna choose login using Facebook. So basically it logs in with the Facebook, and this time you can see earlier the name was Kaval, this time the name is Kawaljeet Patra. So basically this is my username on my Facebook account, and I have one post over here. So if I click on view blog, this is basically the new blog, right? This is basically the Kawaljeet's blog. You can see the difference, right? So this was basically log out the overview of the Blogmaster website. Thank you.